Hi, my name is Joey. I am a rising sophomore in SAR High School, and I just completed the second milestone in my project, which was to get the hat to look like it was speaking. For this project, there's a lot of components, but the main three was creating this mechanical link, getting the servo to spin, and using the perf board, connecting it to the Arduino. So how this works really is you have your perf board, and you connect in the wires, and then you look up online to try and find the correct sequence of configuration to get the wires as to which one they plug into. And once you get that, you attach it to the Arduino through the ground and the numbers, and you try and create a way so that the code, which is on the computer, which will actually get the servo to sweep and tilt up, which will then make the mechanical link go in a direction, which will also make the hat go in as well. So if I were to plug in my Arduino to the computer, what would happen? Oh my god. So I'll cut that. But what would happen is that it's not working so well now, but what would happen normally if you adjust the angle is that the hat would look kind of like it was talking. Now, to do this, really, it's all about getting in the electricity to flow through, and of course the code. So to do this, I had to look online and find out the right way to get the code. I also had to create this mechanical link, which was very hard. It required a lot of sawing, and you had to create a lot of configurations in tight spaces. And the mechanical link is nothing to underestimate in this project. There's a number of challenges that I faced while making this milestone. The first and foremost being the difficulty of all these wiring. The wires were very hard, and especially working in tight spaces with the soldering and connecting it to the Arduino, it would constantly fall out, and that took me a while to really master to get to do. And then also another problem was getting the hat to swing in the way that I wanted it to. Sometimes my mechanical link would be too far over to the side, or sometimes the angle was a little bit off, and that really took a while to kind of get that right look that you really wanted. And in terms of what I gained from this project, I could definitely say that I got a lot more fluent in terms of using wires, using Arduino, learning how that works. It was a really enjoyable experience, and I hope that in the future I could build bigger and more awesome stuff. Thank you.